So this plastic carbon fiber look front splitter got damaged. Good thing it's pretty cheap, and there was a purpose that why I installed this, because as you know, this car is lowered and this part always scrapes the front. This area always scrapes to kind of protect it in parking blocks and low areas, and bumper situations, or what do you call this, steep driveways and speed bump situations. I installed this and it did its job. In fact, this area, I don't know if you can see it, I'll zoom in, got damaged. This was pushed down a little bit. It bent really down. In fact, you can see this is still bent. This area right here, you can see the bend all the way over there. It's bent all the way to the middle. So what I'm doing is trying to fix it right now, and I didn't know if it's going to work or not. Just using a blow dryer like this, heating up that area and bending it back up, and it seems to be working pretty well. So I'm going to keep going and I'll show you the finished product. But worst case scenario, I'm just going to replace this thing. It's like 65 bucks from Walmart.com. That's where I bought it, but it did its job. It protected this front lip right here, because if, as you can see, the scratches in here, that would have been this one instead of this one. That would have been an insurance claim. So that's one of the reasons why I got this. And I've driven this car, for with this splitter for a while now. I installed it in spring and it's almost fall now, so 6-7 months. It's doing well, and I've driven it in high speeds and never came off. So let me go ahead and fix this thing. I don't know how this happened. I just saw it today, but the splitter did its job in protecting the front bumper. Alright, I'm going to continue, and I'll show you the finished product. See if I can repair this thing. Well, it looks like it works. Slowly but surely the bend is coming up. I just heated it up and slowly bent it up like that. Just a few more heating up, and it should be a flat surface just like this one. See, as you can see, the bend is starting here. So starting here. So I don't know really what really happened that it occurred. I suspected I maybe have parked on a parking block, that this got pushed in, so it bent. But it looks like the fix I was thinking is working, because this was really bent down, as I showed you in the video earlier. This one was actually really facing down, and it's now just a slight bend right here, slight bend. So I'm gonna keep working, and looks like my solution is working. All right, well, it looks like it fixed it. If you can see, there's no more bend. My chip fix worked. All right, hopefully you can learn from this situation. It protected my front lip, my front charger lip, but this one was an easy fix. Pretty happy with it. All right, so if you like this video, you know what to do. Like the like button, and please subscribe. We'll see you on the next DIY installation or fix or anything else. I'm gonna try to clean the throttle body next time, and I'll do a video of that one. Take care. See you soon.